Good morning, class. Good morning to everyone. A very good morning and welcome back to the class. Students, as we are in the process of completing the exercises of chapter number 10, that is pronoun. And in pronoun, the first type kind that is personal pronoun. We are discussing about personal pronouns. So today we will be completing the exercise number 3. Let's complete the exercises. Look at the questions. The instruction what is given here, it said which personal pronouns would you use for the following. नीचे दिए गए नाउन्स के लिए आप कौन से वर्ड से इसको रिप्लेस करेंगे, कौन सा नाउन यूज करेंगे. So I hope the first one is given there. The first one is given here. Students, look at the board. It's given here Sunil. So for Sunil, we use the pronoun which we use is he, him, and you can use one more, his, a possessive. Okay. Now can you help me out with the second question? Who will help me out with the second question? Ansika Upadhyay, unmute. Now help me out for Radhika. This is what? Sunil is a masculine gender. Sunil क्या है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's a masculine gender. ये gents है, male है. तो male के लिए हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? What we are using?
Masculine gender.
We are using. हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? He, him, and his. Now, what are the pronouns? Yes. Which personal pronoun would you use for Radhika? Come on, tell me. Radhika के लिए आप कौन सा pronoun use करेंगे?
Sir.
Ansika Upadhyay. Yes, tell me.
Radhika.
Tell me that.
She.
Very good.
She and he.
No, he is used for male gender. Masculine gender के लिए हम he use करते हैं. Now next, who will answer me? Yes, Ansika Singh. You unmuted, Ansika Singh. Now tell me for Radhika. Her. She, her, and
Hers.
her. Okay, very good. She, her, and hers. And what is Radhika? Radhika is a
feminine gender.
Very good. It's a feminine gender. So feminine gender means a noun that denotes female. हाँ, स्त्रीलिंग का बोध कराता है. तो उस केस में हम ये pronoun यूज करते हैं. Okay, now let us see. Okay, now mute it. Now next question is Anuj Singh. Unmute it. Anuj Singh, unmute karo. Now tell me for dog which pronoun you are going to use.
Let the dog.
Yes. There is some problem. आपके यहाँ से आवाज बहुत ज्यादा आ रही है. Now, yes, Vardhan, unmute it. Which pronoun will you use for eat? Very good. Eat. It is used for what? किसके लिए eat use होता है? It is used for things and small animal. Things and small animal. Yes, things and small animals के लिए हम eat use करते हैं. Animals. Okay, fine. Yes, mute it. Yes. Now, next question is Vaishnavi Singh. Unmute it. Vaishnavi Singh. Now look at the board. Sunil and Radhika. अब यहाँ पे masculine and feminine both are here. So which pronoun you are going to use here? बताइए.
Eat.
No, sorry, it use नहीं करेंगे. It is used for things and small animals. Now help me out, beta. बताइए Sunil and Radhika. Sunil is a masculine gender and Radhika is a feminine gender. Which pronoun you are going to use here? Shivam Jaiswal. Shivam Jaiswal, unmute it. Shivam Jaiswal, unmute. Shivam Jaiswal, can you hear me? Unmute it. Shivam Jaiswal. Shivam Jaiswal, unmute karo. Option आ रहा है. Yes. Now look at the board. Shivam, tell me. Sunil and Radhika के लिए क्या use करेंगे? They are plural, beta. I told you पर्सनल प्रोनाउन आर ऑफ 3 टाइप्स, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन। यहाँ पे ये प्लूरल है, इसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? दे, them, theirs. They, them and theirs. What are they? They are plural nouns. They are plural nouns. For plural nouns we are going to what Sunil and Radhika दोनों को मिला देंगे तो they are two persons. So we will use here the pronoun which we are going to use for Radhika and Sunil is they, them and theirs, as they are plural. As they are plural. We can't say यहाँ पे nouns मत लिखना, पर ये कह देना कि ये plurals है. This they both are subject. ये दोनों subject हैं और ये दोनों plurals हैं. Now let us see magazine. For magazine, who will help me? शिवम जायसवाल mute कर लो अब. Now Piyush Giri unmute. Piyush Giri unmuted. Yes Piyush. Now it's magazine. Magazine के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? कौन सा pronoun use करेंगे? Personal pronoun में कौन सा pronoun use करेंगे? Okay, students, let me tell you, it's a magazine, it's a thing, it's a non-living thing. तो इसके लिए भी हम क्या यूज करेंगे? It. क्या है ये? ये आपका things है. What is this? It's a things. ये things है. So things के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? It's a magazine. It's a magazine. Now, students, let us use some more. Let us try to do some more class work. The exercise is over and the chapter is over. Here, chapter number 10, personal pronoun. What is pronoun? Word used in place of a noun, it's called a pronoun. And we have discussed about types of pronoun. How many types of pronoun? There are 4 types of pronoun. There are 10 types of pronoun. But in this class, in your class, we will discuss about 4 types of pronoun. That is personal pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Okay, students. In chapter number 10, we have discussed about पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. चैप्टर नंबर 10 में हमने पर्सनल प्रोनाउन के बारे में बात किया है. व्हाट इज पर्सनल प्रोनाउन? पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस आर द प्रोनाउंस व्हिच आर यूज्ड फॉर पर्सन, जो व्यक्तियों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. ऐसे प्रोनाउंस जो व्यक्तियों के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं, इसे हम पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस कहते हैं. और यहाँ पे आपने जो भी प्रोनाउन यूज किया है, ही, हिम, हिज, ऑल दिस, ये सारे किस में आते हैं? ये थर्ड पर्सन है. ऑल दिस आर थर्ड पर्सन, इवन इंक्लूडिंग द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन. यहाँ पे जो नाम लिखा हुआ है ये भी सारे थर्ड पर्सन है. लुक केयरफुली स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल दीज आर थर्ड पर्सन. एग्जांपल, ही इज अ गुड बॉय. आई एम डिस्कसिंग विथ यू, मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, मैंने आपको बताया, मीन्स आई एम स्पीकिंग. सो आई एम द फर्स्ट पर्सन, यू आर द लिसनर, यू आर लिसनिंग, मीन्स जिससे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ आपसे, तो यू आर द सेकंड पर्सन. मैंने किसके बारे में बात किया? ही के बारे में. ही इज अ गुड बॉय, तो ही क्या है आपका? थर्ड पर्सन. लुक हियर, इट इज रिटन हियर ही. And what is he? He is a third person. Students, याद रखिए, what is personal pronoun? And personal pronoun are of 3 types. That is first person, second person, and third person. We have completed the chapter personal pronoun in chapter number 10. Now, I would like to ask some questions to some students. Let me see. Veer Pratap Singh, unmuted. Veer Pratap Singh, unmuted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, tell me the definition of pronoun. What is pronoun?
The pronoun that tell us about the person is called personal pronoun.
No, I am not asking about personal pronoun. I am asking about pronoun. सर्वनाम किसे कहते हैं? What is pronoun? Only pronoun. Define pronoun.
The word that is used in the place of noun is called pronoun.
Very good. बहुत अच्छे. Can you give me 2 examples only?
He, she.
Okay, thank you. Now, Arushi Bharti. Arushi Bharti, unmuted.
Yes,
Arushi
sir.
Bharti, now tell me how many types of pronoun we are going to discuss in this class. आपके क्लास में हम pronoun chapter से कितने types को पढ़ने जा रहे हैं? How many types?
Sir, four types.
4 types. What are the names? Name बताइए उन चारों के. Tell me the names.
Sir, personal pronouns.
Yes. आरोही सिंह अनम्यूटेड, आरोही सिंह अनम्यूट करो, आरोही सिंह अनम्यूटेड। ओके, अंशित गुप्ता अनम्यूटेड, अंशित गुप्ता, अंशित गुप्ता अनम्यूटेड।
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anshit, in this class, we are going to discuss about 4 kinds of pronoun, means 4 types of pronoun. What are the names of the 4 types of pronoun? Can you tell me?
Relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, personal
Yes,
pronoun, or interrogative pronoun.
very good. Yes, in this class, we are going to discuss about personal pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and interrogative pronoun. Okay, now can anybody define what is personal pronoun? Who will tell me the answer of personal pronoun? Kanishk Singh, unmute. Kanishka Singh. Kanishka Singh. Kanishka Singh, can you unmute it? I think she is not able to unmute. Okay. Anshika Singh, unmute it. Anshika Singh, unmute it.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you define what is personal pronoun?
All pronouns that are used in place of person speaking are known as pronoun of the first person.
No, I'm not asking about first person. I am asking the definition of personal pronoun. Can you define what is personal pronoun? Can anybody define what is personal pronoun? Pronoun used for persons are called personal pronoun, or pronoun used for 3 types of person, that is first person, second person, and third person. It's called personal pronoun. Okay. Okay. What is first person? Yashvardhan. Yashvardhan, can you tell me what is first person?
The person who speaks.
Very good. The person who speaks, it's the first person. Now you are speaking and I am listening, means you are the first person and I am the second person. Now can you help me out with the example used in first person? First person में जो example, जो pronoun use होते हैं, उन बताइए. Can you name out?
I.
Yes.
He.
No, he is third person. It is written here. It is third person. ये सारे third person से. All these are third person.
I.
Yeah, it's I, me, we, us, mine. Okay, fine. Now Anuj Singh. Yes, person mute कर लो. Anuj Singh, unmute it. Anuj, can you help me out? What is second person? Second person. Anuj, help me out. What is second person? Fine. Okay. Who will help? Nirbhay. Nirbhay, unmute कर लो. Unmute it and tell me what is second person. The person who is spoken to, जिससे हमारी बात होती है. You are sitting here. You are in the class. Yes. That is called second person. And the pronoun used for second persons are you and your. Yes.
सर सर मैं कह रहा हूँ ये जो आप फर्स्ट पर्सन कह रहे हैं उसमें जो ये बोर्ड लिखा है वो सब आएगा फर्स्ट पर्सन में.
नहीं, ये सारे फर्स्ट पर्सन में नहीं आएंगे. ये सारे थर्ड पर्सन है. ये सारे क्या है?
सर जैसे आई इज वी आर
I, me, all, ये सारे फर्स्ट पर्सन है. All these are first person.
यस
Now students, now let me move back to some examples. Let us do some examples of personal pronoun. Okay, now everybody please look at the board. इट्स ओवर, नथिंग इज देयर, सब कुछ हो चुका है, फिर भी हम एक बार थोड़ा सा एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस, लेट अस discuss about what personal pronoun. Okay, please look at the board everybody. Let me erase the board students, look carefully, and we will do at least 10 questions, at least 10 questions, and I'll ask you. This is the chapter here, it's over. Exercise ये chapter over हो चुका है बेटा, and on Monday I will take a test. I'll inform you. मैं आपको बताऊंगा WhatsApp मैसेज करके कि मैं आपसे क्या टेस्ट लेने जा रहा हूँ, which chapter English में and which chapter in grammar. Okay, I will take your, now I'm going to take test every day. Every day I'm going to take a revision test. Okay, now students look at the board. It's a class work. Now it's a class work. ये बेटा class work है. It's a class work. Now I'm going to, we will do together. Circle personal pronouns. Circle personal pronouns. Circle personal pronouns. This is your question. It's a question that circle personal pronoun. Circle personal pronoun. And the first question is that how many pens has he? Question mark. Number 2, who is there? Who is there? Question mark. It is I, comma, sir. It is I, sir. Number 3, Anil likes her very much. Now look at the 4th question. You have made the wall dirty. You have made the wall dirty. Now look at the 5th question. He will pass the test. He will pass the test. Number 6. Look at number 6. It's that we are all Indians. We are all Indians. Now students, what I'm going to ask, आपको क्या क्या बताना है? Look here, आपको मुझे क्या क्या बताना है? Look here, इसमें आपको सबसे पहले मुझे बताना है what is pronoun. सर्कल करना है. एग्जाम्पल इसमें जो भी pronoun होगा, अगर एग्जाम्पल we इसमें अगर pronoun है, then which person is we कौन सा person है? First person, second person और third person. आपको ये भी बताना है. You have to identify, after circling the pronoun, you have to identify whether it is a first person, second person or third person. Students clear? Show me your thumb. आपको समझ में आया करना क्या है? Instruction क्या है? Do you understand what you are going to do, बेटा? समझ में आ गया? Yes. First of all, you have to circle the pronoun. सबसे पहले आप मुझे pronoun बताएंगे. You will tell me, you will dictate me that sir, this is pronoun. Sir, ये pronoun है और ये first person है और ये second person है. Okay. Now I'm going to ask in the first question. Who will tell me the first question? Yes, Nitish Chauhan, unmute it. Nitish Chauhan. Nitish, unmute कर लो. Nitish, unmute करो. Unmute it, Nitish. कार्तिक पटेल, unmute करो. Karthik Patel, unmute.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Karthik. कार्तिक, लुक एट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सर्कल, आपको सर्कल करना है पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. Personal pronoun are of three types: first person, second person, third person. He, how many fans has he? इसमें personal pronoun क्या है? What is pronoun? हाँ?
Sir,
He, very good.
he,
यहाँ पे he is the personal pronoun. अब ये कौन सा person है? First person, second person और third person?
third person.
Third person. Very good. It's a third person. Personal pronoun, third person. Personal pronoun, third person. Mute it now, Karthik. Very good. Yes, Karthik. Now next question goes to Sandeep Kumar. Yes, Sandeep, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sandeep. Now read the second question. Who is there? It is I. So, इसमें pronoun क्या है? Personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun in this sentence?
They are.
No, their personal pronoun
Sir,
नहीं
they
है.
are.
No, their personal. No, their personal. It is not a personal pronoun. आपको personal pronoun circle करना है. Yes, anybody? Any students? Raise your hand. Who want to tell? Ayush Yadav. Veer Pratap Singh, unmuted.
Yes,
Look at
sir.
the second question. Yes, Veer, look at the second question. Who is there? Question mark. It is I, sir. What is personal pronoun in this sentence?
It.
इसमें personal.
I.
No, it नहीं है. I. Very good. Yes, I. I is personal pronoun. I क्या है बेटा आपका? Personal pronoun है. Yes. Now, which I is which person?
First person.
First person. Not only this, it भी आपका personal pronoun है here. I and it. Now, I is first person. I is first person. Look here, I is first person. It is third person. It is third person. Okay. Now look here. There भी आपका pronoun है. Who is there? But there ये कौन सा pronoun?
Sorry. Personal.
It's a demonstrative pronoun ये. लेकिन हमें केवल क्या करना है? Personal pronoun को circle करना है. Okay. Now, who is answering me? बेटा mute कर लो. Veer, mute करो. Yes. Now question goes to Anshika Upadhyay.
Yes, sir.
Anshika Upadhyay. Yes. Tell me the next question. Yes. The next question.
her है.
her. Very good. Her है. Yes. Her is personal pronoun. और ये कौन सा pronoun है? First person, second person या third person?
Sir, third person.
हाँ.
Sir, third person.
Very good. It's third person. It's the third person. Okay. Now next question is you have mute कर लो everybody. Now let me tell you the answer.
Thank
Mute
you,
कर लो.
sir.
Thank you. Yes, Vardhan, unmute it. Yes, Vardhan. You have made the wall dirty. What is pronoun in this? You. Very good. You. So यहाँ लिख देंगे हम you. You कौन सा person है? Which person is you?
Second person.
Very good. It's a second person personal pronoun. It's a second person. Fine. Now mute it.
Sir, इसके आगे वाला बोल दो.
नहीं, आपसे नहीं पूछूंगा. I'm not going to ask you. Let me ask to someone else. Yes, Anshika Singh, tell me the question number 5. He will pass the test. What is pronoun? He. Very good. He is a personal pronoun. Now, which person is this?
Third person.
Third person. Okay, fine. Good. It's the third person. The third person. Now mute it. Now the last question. Now the last question I'll ask to the last students. Abhigyan Tripathi, unmuted. Abhigyan Tripathi, unmuted. We all are Indians. Now, what is the pronoun, personal pronoun in this sentence?
We are all Indian.
हाँ, इसमें
Sir,
पर्सनल
we.
प्रोनाउन क्या है? We. वेरी गुड. We कौन सा प्रोनाउन, कौन सा पर्सन है? Which person is we? Which person is we?
Sir, third
हाँ?
person.
First person.
Third person. Very good. No, it's not a third person. Wrong. We. It is a first person. It's a first person.
First person.
Yes, it's a first person. Yes, class. Why you are shouting? बेटा पीछे से अगर आवाज आ रही है पेरेंट्स की तो आप ब्लॉक कर दो प्लीज. किसके घर से आवाज आ रही है? वो